Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. As part of the celebration of India's 75th year of independence, the Office of the In Charge of the Dedicated Project Implementation Unit DPIU PMGSY East Khasi Hills District through the National Rural Infrastructure Integrated Development Agency, New Delhi, had initiated maintenance drives in 53 roads in several districts across the state of Meghalaya. This is also part of the nation's Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The in charge of the DPIU PMGSY East Khasi Hills District had also organized a maintenance drive of the PMGSY road at Thangshalai village under the Maurinkneng CNRD block. To mark the event, a cleaning drive cum awareness program at the village employment council level was organized on the 28th of October in the presence of the Assistant Engineer, PWD Roads, 1 Kermi Paryat, the DPIU PMGSY East Khasi Hills in charge, Parnel E. Nyota, Sardar of Thangshalai village, B. Kharkongor, contractor S. Kharpran, Assistant Engineer P. Prabhat, besides others. It may be mentioned that the construction of the PMGSY road at Thangshalai village had started on the 28th of December 2017 and was completed on the 1st of February 2019. During the third year maintenance drive, speakers appreciated the Office of the DPIU PMGSY for the construction of the road that has become a blessing to residents of the area, especially as far as communication is concerned. Speaking at the event, the executive engineer and also DPIU of the PMGSY scheme in East Khasi Hills District, Parnel E. Nyota, informed that the road at Thangshalai comes under a 5-year maintenance drive and it falls under the PMGSY Phase 1 scheme, which aims to provide new connectivity in rural areas that have a population of 1,000 residents or more. He added that the celebration of India's 75th year of independence includes PMGSY activities that started with a seminar in August this year, a maintenance drive to be conducted between 15th to 30th of October 2021, followed by an event in the national capital, and finally the completion of all PMGSY 1 and 2 constructions that are scheduled to be completed within the financial year ending in March.
Penlong South-liki activities, kabaningkong ka seminar. Kani ka seminar nila ada penlong hau kenai August. Kabaar kadi ka maintenance drive, hakaba lamang ban pendap hapo Oktober. Pan tempo iki surap ban peni tenap. Katarik nila ko ang tay padu katsan halu lai pau kamot kan ko dadu lai pau tarik Oktober hang ni ha East Khasi Hills. Kabalai pada kandan sa kata kajik penting kot kani kati jadi kot di badan ting baki jaka kiba betul bat ka bakhadu kani baki pendap lo di scheme jaka PMGSY 1 baki PMGSY 2 dari pendap apa war aja apa March PMGSY ngan bantai ingat jam lai cai kabalik pong dari PMGSY 1 hakabalai ya Kisurok, ya Kisrong. Kibadan population 6,000 seneng. Ladaran Kisrong besan spa kiyo. Kaya ter lingkong syai kiba 6,000 seneng, baar kiba san spa seneng, bat kebalai kiba ar spa san ho. Kaya sedang najurong.